Okay, today's class let us understand about graphical method to solve convolution. Last class I had given a problem, or I had solved a problem where x of n was given as -1, half, 1 and -half. Okay, here is the 0th instant, and h of n was given out to be half, 1 and -half. Correct? This is the 0th instant. This problem was solved. Today I will be solving this with the graphical method. Try to understand the graphical method. In graphical method I will be just drawing these two signals. Let me draw this signal. Okay, I will solve the first signal given, that is x of n. At the 0th instant half is there, half, and then 1, correct, 1, and then -half, and then on the negative side -1 is there, -1. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is -1. But try to see that I will be naming this as x of k, because in the formula x of k comes. Hence I will be naming x of n as x of k. I will be drawing this signal with respect to k here. Now let me draw the second signal also. H of k here, h of k here, as shown here. At the 0th instant half is there, half, and then 1, and then -half. Okay, half, 1 and -half. Now I'll be just drawing this first step h of k. I'll be inverting in writing it. Step 1. Reflect h of k so that I will obtain h of minus k. H of minus k. That will be my first step. Please see that this 0th will be coinciding here, so that there won't be any confusions. This is now h of minus k. How I will be drawing h of minus k? Just take this, invert it. This is 0, 1 and 2, no? The same thing reflect on the other side. Hence you will get 0, -1 and -2. At the 0th instant half is there, and then 1, and then -half. Okay, now what you have to do is you have to multiply x of k and h of minus k so as to obtain an intermediate signal. That is intermediate signal I will be obtaining. You can name it as Wn. Please try to see that it is with the order n. Now 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, -1, -2. First step, multiply, reflect this and draw this. Then multiply both h of k and x of k and h of minus k, and then write Wn. Okay, Wn. I'll be just doing that. Half into half, 1/4. Then -1 into 1, giving you -1. Then rest everywhere, you see here it is 0, 0 into 0, 0, and rest everywhere signal will be 0, 0 only. there won't be any signal. Hence I am having graphically Wn, an intermediate signal, which is minus 1 and 1 by 4. Sum it up. Hence y of 0 is equal to minus 1 plus 1 by 4, which is minus 3 by 4, isn't it? Hence I got the result or answer as minus 3 by 4. You write down and keep. Later we will draw this signal. Now what I will be doing is in next I will be shifting this completely to the right, or one step to the right. Hence next step, shift 1 unit right side, correct? 1 unit to the right side. That means I'll be just shifting this to the right side. The signal h of 1 minus k I'll be obtaining, h of 1 minus k. Shift the above signal, step 1 signal, to right side by 1 unit. That means you see, minus half comes to minus 1 position, 1 goes to 0th position, half goes to the next position, isn't it? That means here half comes, here 1 comes, and then minus half goes to the next. And then again this is h of 1 minus k multiplied x of k and h of 1 minus k, so as to obtain the next intermediate signal, that is Wn. How is the Wn signal? Minus 1 multiplied by minus half. What is the answer? It is half. Half multiplied by 1, answer is half. 1 multiplied by half, answer is half. Sum it up so that I got y of 1. Now y of 1 is half plus half plus half. Half plus half plus half. I got 3 by 2. 3 by 2. Now what is the next step? Next step is again shift above signal by 1 unit. 1 unit. That means minus 1 goes to the next position, minus half, 1 goes to the next position. Sorry, this is 1, half goes to the next position. This became h of 2 minus k. H of 2 minus k. Now multiply h of 2 minus k and x of k, so that minus half into half. See, here and all no signal is present, hence the answer is 0. Minus 1 may be present but nothing is there, hence I will be just, wherever signal is there, there only I will be using. Now I got the intermediate signal, that is Wn. Wn. Now the Wn will be minus half into half, that is minus 1 by 4. Next 1 into 1, answer is 1. Next minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. Hence y of 2 will be minus 1 by 4 plus 1 minus 1 by 4 becomes half. Half. Again, like this you can shift each steps so that you get y of 3, as well as y of 4. You can try this. I will just do this, the next things which are present. Y of 3 minus k, y of 3 minus k, minus half goes here, 1 goes to the next and half goes to the next. This, and again x of k multiplication, minus half into 1, minus half into 1. No signal present here. Minus half into 1 means minus half. Then 1 into minus half is minus half. Okay, nowhere else the signal is present. And here it is 0, here it is 0. Hence my answer y of 3 became minus half became minus 1. Similarly, shift to the next. See, till how many shifting will be there? Till this last edge, last signal passes over this, correct? Minus half passes over minus half. That will be my next answer, y of 4, which will be minus 1 by 4 is my answer. Similarly, at the negative side you have to check. You can try that next, shifting to the left side and overlapping with minus 1. You already know the answer. Y of minus 1, my answer is already verified. I have given it in the previous video session. You can verify the answer. Okay, you can verify that answer. Y of minus 1. Y of minus 1 answer is, you see, this shifting to the right side by 1 unit. Why? That is the other side overlapping. Here if I do know, I just do it in this gap, so that h of minus 1 minus k. Why minus 1 minus k? Because I have completed all the right side shifting. This is the left side shifting, whatever is there, no? I will be just completing. Actually, the first only left side shifting should be done, but it is easy if I start the right side shifting. That's why I have done left side shifting. When I do know, minus 1 minus k. See, I will be just taking h of minus k, shifting it to the left side. When I shift it to the left side, half comes here, then 1 goes to the next, and minus half. This is 0, minus 1, minus 2. Hence, if you see, multiply h of minus 1 minus k with x of k, my answer will be, see, y of minus 1 will be, half into minus 1 minus half, and then no more, no more, correct? No more shifting is present, hence my y of minus 1 answer is minus half. That's what is my complete answers. You can write the answer here as y of n became equal to minus half, next minus 3 by 4, next 3 by 2, next half, next minus 1, next minus 1 by 4. Where is the 0th instant? Here is the 0th instant. Graphically you can draw that. I will anyway draw the final graphical answer for you here at this portion. Okay, this portion. Answer. I will be just drawing y of n. Minus n, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 1, minus 2. Already I know the answer. At the 0th instant it is minus 3 by 4. Minus 3 by 4, and then 3 by 2. 3 by 2, next half, next minus 1, and next minus 1 by 4. And at the other side it is minus half. This is my y of n answer. Okay, same graphical method I have done. Next class I shall solve this problems convolution problems by mathematical way. How exactly to use the formulas so as to solve this, I shall convey you. We shall see. This is simple two methods I have solved convolution. That is, one was tabular method. Now this same problem I have solved with a graphical method also. Okay, but another method which I will be solving is the one which is applicable if mathematical equations are given. Let us solve that mathematical equation way. If the problems are given of this kind, say x of n is given directly like numerical values, you can use graphical or tabular method to solve. Whatever mathematical way I am using, for that formulas are required. Formulas are given, you have to solve that. Let us see that in the next class. Thank you.